Hey guys, how's it going? This is Brad with MSS Capital. Here to do your market review. Currently, we're looking at the gold chart. Um, Today, gold had a nice day. We've been previously selling off the last couple of days, but today, December 1st, we had a 42.7 point to the upside, which is a huge move. Let's go in and get a more in-depth look at what we had during the regular trading session today. So it was a little bit choppy during the day. We opened up around 1812. So if you're just trading the regular trading today and didn't take part in the overnight Globex trading, there was definitely a smaller move here. It was more like a 13-point move. And then it seemed like right after lunch, everybody had just decided to hang out, and as you can see, the algorithms just move this thing back and forth. Choppy and settled during the day. We did add some structure to the upside, which was nice. We've added some volume on today. It was pretty decent amount. Then we can go and look at what we've done so far overnight. Currently we are down pretty much right back to the opening range of today in the New York session. We are looking for a decrease in the market to get back in for longs. So currently you're wondering, wow, gold had such a hot day today. But if you go back and take a look at Wednesday before Thanksgiving, today's range, today's value areas, and the value areas from Wednesday before Thanksgiving are pretty much the same. So that leads me to believe that with the lower volume, traders were able to bring the market lower, which then saw more buyers coming in because it was at a more demand zone once they brought the market down into the 1770s, and the buyers were just picking up longs as we came up. So we are back within the trading range of when we left off last Wednesday. Monday is usually a day where at the end of the month for November, you've got hedge fund managers and portfolios. Everybody's rebalancing their stuff, so that's why gold kind of was just choppy yesterday. Didn't really do a whole lot. That was due to that volume, but as the traders got back into things today, they brought the market right back to where it was. Alright, so that's enough on gold. Let's go over and check out the ES. So you can see we had another nice day here in the E-mini S&P 500. That is partially due to, I'm glad we took out the all-time high, which was traded in the Globex on November the 8th. So it took almost a month for us to get back to that target area to hit the all-time high. Usually if there's a high in the range or a new all-time high that's put in during the overnight session, it will be usually tested sometime shortly. Well, this was quite long, but shortly after in the regular trading hours. to see if more buyers, if they want to come in or not, or things like that. So today we had a nice day. Obviously at the end of the day there's a lot of profit taking, so the market is sold off. People are starting to go back and look at all the news, look at Jay Powell's speech that he had today. People are getting ready for tomorrow's economic data, along with Thursday's that's coming out. But let's get right into it, and let's look at these value areas and settlements and what to look for in tomorrow, which would be the December the 2nd. So as you can see here, we did trade off this morning with a gap, and as we know, gap rules apply. Once you get into a gap, and if the gap doesn't close relatively early in the morning session, continue to go with the gap. So we had a strong overnight, which led into our taking out the all-time high from the November the 8th that we discussed. So currently we are trading below the range. We are trading coming into look at that. We were just talking about that earlier on Wednesday. On the gold, we were talking about how we came right back into the area, and now here we are. This is Wednesday, the November the 25th right here, and as you can see, this is the value area low with the green line. The red line is as value area high, and it looks like we are coming right back into that. This was all holiday weekend. Monday, people rebalancing their portfolios for the end of the year. So today was the first real trading day back since the holiday, and we came right back into that value area. That is not surprising. The high for the Wednesday before Thanksgiving was 36.53. We'll call it 75. Settlement was what you're going to want to put on your chart, so you know where it is tomorrow when we get into trading. Settlement was at 36.60 and a half. So that is all the way up here where this blue line is. So we're starting to get some bears coming in and or profit taking, so let's see what happens in the overnight, and we'll come back and do a morning market update as well, so we can update what happened overnight and look for trading plans to see where some good executed trades might be, so we can manage our risk. Thanks everyone, have a great evening. Comment below if you enjoyed the video, didn't like it. If there's something else you'd like to see on here, we can certainly do that. So I will see you in the comments below, and remember to always trade smart and manage your risk. Thanks traders, have a good evening. See you in the morning. The market update will probably be around 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so look for that up in the morning and comment on that. Bring it up, get a pen and paper so you can write down the areas, and let's profit together, guys.